Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Toba film pai kniat halor ka jingjam nimit mo kembang i ka video pi kemuwe na ki notok kubor film ni nimit ba ki pul kilawan hane te film tai sai kniat ka ka mo kiwan
em nga kapani kong ni pi ngayo kol por abi duna ai ki bodon hang ni de Jaka kila puntep ba keladon ga kenhon jong ki pulit ke bawan ke bamutan syura i kong na ke boong ba kin lej ban ra man sumari i de hangtai namar ba agit kini diperlok ke badan hang ni bapli gide bawan nang thena po riboy de agit jing sosngan namar ba kitip yang aku wein nong sosnong nang thena riboy district bangala im seti ringkat batki tikila telefon dengan denta dengan delapoy kini ke Jaka tingalap don usi jong sadar police station de hangtai ki don kulit tingthairu ki don ru kini ki beladep ban hongyong ta ke SOT tengtai ngalek li usi sadar jong usi jong sadar police station mau claim jubab ye den re ngai kumba telefon no siti bahe hadien kumto arpo 8 minit e pat kawan kensan ke kali jong SP ke Iska Sales Rituraj Ravi haringkat bat ki officers ki bahapo kerdan ke jong de hangtahi daga Jingwan ke jong ki kiwan yarang ni kisuan be bandrum sekni ke Jaka ke bancong be ya ni tong bunda sim ya ni yalam no yapi bandit ban sumar de namar ke ke pelong ba nga jingsang adai ningkong hak benkong adai nong tho bor te ngamut tang man pet ka belong ya kalong ngaman nang ni kerja yu ka kumno pangila ban lum kubor nang ni tenre namar kumbangala batai mine bangalong nong sungsong ka jingi ba ngadon ga jing subabu ni USP la sho khoyang muk uladep bandi ya banlong no ngamtep ka jingdi yu di ngai ka ba kakli junguru kam yahap shu Jingïakren namar bo ula shutur be hangni klem da khot yaki pulit kentai ka ba sosi ba kade klem da khot ki pulit kentai u khot penban ye ki pulit chendrang ya ka ba pelong yang aru bangan ban yo sngoe to ko ong ba ni pulit ba deng masoba ban mi seba kata nga ngalau kumong ru namar belai ba kamde ka kamram jong ki pulit chendrang ni ya ka ban ye de khamtam le khabai de biki kintai te kumtai din ka jingpene ka jongki ngin kami ka jingi tainya ka pelong ngaru ba ngan hap ban ye tainya ban keren be ka jing sisa de nganget namar ba ka video kala de ban sapriang keleng-keleng te ke bon kilasaki te ka bang keren ndu msiem ka pangasem ka bangam snow bang unde ban ailat ya kum kini ke bakin wanja ke namar ba kamtam be USP wanda ka bor baru mod ban syura daga bor yai kong bendas klem da don pat magistrate klem da don mano ngapan ru ya kata ka city lani ka senat ka bang medical certificate atul kumno kitip bai tai kong unsai klancho lara dei bagi doktor kila ai kidon ganu ka test report ka bakilap bai kong ila tlot teng kadon hok iki banra hospital rekum kataru kam don napanya katar kimla banai te de hangta kanong rem ka bopulong badai banyaki ban yang persya yakini ka jingle ka jukin mangimtip sanu kai ka banja dara kira nang diru kimut banra nang ne hospital ne kimut ban amde hapor ba kili ki kam itu claim jubab eiru ngala kili ong will you take her ki claim itu syong baik tang namta banra namta medical check up tengimtep medical check up kaba kumno kata namar hangni la swantang ambulance tong driver na kami bandon ki besi syong ki assistant na po ahmad ru kata ka ambulance tenga claim simlai i kata namar berung hangni rum de berung de kita ki badon ya jing sempang we de ban pe ka kwat ki ya berung ni de mandu kulit kat bau kulit ka kamram ka jung ka de kumwei kata ka ba pelingo ngamtip ka terikam kumno
akpor kumbak no banje etra ka jak to kiwan
ka Jingwan ka jong USP din ka de kumbak khatwe arpo ki khatwe arpusan de mga poi mga ni khatwe duna
to pila yo nam banekran ba ka DGP halor kan mo
em ngala syukran menen hapo phone omodong hapo takaba nasa interview menen ngala syuong ba nganget I madam DGP I banga ngang sudep penyesem dangsen insim kiai kan ye namar ngadang hapo kepor Jingïakren ngala dap kren syai I bakum gelat patai kepor ni kwa penitri lang umban suya kenpo ngongot kisnong kita urti kwa penitri lang hendrei lada kita ki bodon pat akai nukong kim nang man buram yang I ti kumnu ke ni trilang te bar ngada ong rui I ba boro ki pulet ki basniu ki don ki bun ki babha don katu kan ni ngala dep keliru kan kanu berukom kinle ban pen bhai ke tenat pulet kata ngala dep bu jing keli I te mai like kubur ba kidang ki don bun ki benta ke bahap ban pen bet ya ke tenat pulet
Hak Jingïakren pimlin kidon em kaji pen bakin ya lek bakin rai ni kong.
Ni kong di kipine. Tenrei namar ba hadien endang laban ban kili ka kamram ke jongki na ai ke nuksa bede ka jingdon jongki jingyaki hange besak Thngan pen ken mal ke por jumpa arden nama kidon lang ke por ru di ban long ke sakir kidon lang menen apoi laingut tengah sui bedan ka tukan ningut kinoi lam ke bibi ngada keli knang ru bakin tip na gitu kinoi lam bibi bihang ni por besak Thngan ba arden musim ladon ruan kulit pun menuru panuan keli ke kok kia kita be nak ketenat kok kia I te kumjo bat kiwi ru ki bla song Thngan te kalong punta ba ngam tip ngasnu per menen kesngi ka kli jungar ka he akpor ba kita ki pulit ke umban ra ke kong bindas em I bedai tai bala para nong song snong junga nang kina riboy district
Harai ladak tren kum nong susnong kane ka Jingwan ki se ka de ka jing khau yang baki la seluruh la jong wa ben seluruh la dep kinwa hang ne pren am
namtip namar ba hadien makidep nang tu ngai ba kia phone namtip ki phone ki bahe ki jongki de nga trayo ksuan kensan ka hukum nang nur te kata tem la panong tenre kita ki bale kitip bae kata de nganget kin so thu ba kani gede sensar pajba kide ban buram yu pajba
Outside your force, outside us.
Listen.
Outside your force, outside us.
Listen. There is no force or anything. I'm
No, you here. Or you
Talk
please
here.
listen here.
Please send the Let's hear me out. Let's hear me out. Please. Please.
Just cooperate. Just cooperate.
See, she is not here. No.
Sir, please tell you.
बाहर में क्या है? You go first.
Sir, please sir, listen to me. With respect, sir. I will end up saying that I am a journalist, but listen to me. I am a resident of Riboy district and of Nongpo constituency. I will allow you to do this. No. Come on, with a mask, please go.
Those who wear a mask, go outside.
You take a public access, you don't need to hide your
You
face.
know me very well. This is not the way.
You take a public access, you don't need to hide your face. You have to show your face.
No. See, the first instant they came with the force. No, I'm not getting agitated, sir.
That's what I'm telling you also. Just bring a doctor here and do the medical check.
They can do, sir. There's a mobile service also. See, 108 is there. They can come.
can talk now.
We can talk. So why not?
Cannot force.
We are not forcing.
Not be forcing.
There's no sure.
They take a public tax salary.
I'm covering my flat.
Okay, you tell me, sir. What do you want to do? No, but you can bring your doctor. You can bring your doctor here.
I need solution to find out to talk for what. To talk for what?
You
have the civil hospital. There are government doctors there. You could call them. You could call them to come and do for the checkup.
I can call Conrad also. I don't care of calling him at night.
buat je. Ayo buat. Buat tu. Right?
Hey.
We're telling you, just bring a medical officer here to do the checkup.
Why are you getting so easy?
We're not getting a requesting you. We are talking in a very good time and in a very polite manner. So please, let's stop. Like, what do you want exactly from your end? What do you want exactly from them?
That's what I'm saying.
So you tell us.
That's what I'm trying to say. Is that
So we already.
I'm not a competent authority to speak on anything. I'm only here to that.
No, see, I already had a word with your
Listen,
OC.
let me.
No, only some shit.
Wait. I'm only here to just see that her health is taken care of. That's it. That's the only thing.
If you sir, Afshar, then don't force her.
Wait.
Afshar,
Wait. I'm not competent authority to speak
Okay, sir.
on any matter.
If you are so
Nothing.
concerned with that.
Wait,
Sir.
Only thing is that. And whatever you say, okay.
No, if you are so concerned with the health,
I agree with whatever you say. Relax.
From the government side,
I agree with
we appeal
whatever
to the government to send the medical health.
that
medical team.
You and the government. I'm not a competent person to speak on that.
Sir,
I am here.
Sir, first question I have for you: what is the role of the police? Yeah, right now.
Yes.
What is the role of the police?
Yes.
Is it suppose if there's another coronavirus?
Yes.
Okay, say so tomorrow.
Yes.
Is the police or is the doctor to take care of it?
My role is only that.
Then you can just come and pick. Speaking on behalf of the citizen of Riboy district.
Relax, please. I'm not talking about anything else. I'm only that her condition.